right. Now remember, this is all just about getting seat time and...
Are we going straight or left?
Turn left at the light.
Okay.
This is all about getting seat time, and this is your first real ride. Okay, we're not practicing, okay?
Okay, like literally ripping the Band-Aid off.
Ripping the Band-Aid off. We practiced up and down this road many times. Now we are just going to go for a ride. It's an easy route that I take all the time for my vlogs, just because I love the route. It's beautiful, pretty good roads, and it's just left and right turns at stoplights and stuff. So you'll be fine, okay?
What?
You'll be fine.
I know, I got a downshift. I'm in fourth.
All right, see, it's green light. This is what I like waiting for. All right, so get ready, go ahead and go. Very good. Woo, this is our first ride together.
I know. I'm nervous being in front.
Well, you should be in front because you don't want to try to keep up with me. That's the whole point, okay? So remember, you got to blip that throttle. I saw you shift without blipping the throttle. That's why it was a little jerky, okay?
Okay.
This is so fun.
I know, this is nice.
So I'm testing out my 360 camera here, so I'm actually going to edit it to where it's like looking at you, and I can turn it around. That's what's so cool. Hopefully it comes out great. I'm waiting for the adventure case, kind of like the waterproof cases for the action cameras we have.
I can barely hear you in this when you're talking.
Really?
Yeah, so I need you to speak up, because when you speak lower, all I hear is mumbling.
Sounds good. I'll be nice and loud for you, baby.
All right. Giggity, giggity, giggity.
So at the light, we'll turn right, okay?
Okay, and when I turn, am I turning in, well, if I get green, I can just turn.
Yeah, well, it's not now, so you're gonna have to come to a stop. So I got my blinker on, don't worry, the car behind us. So you go ahead and start downshifting and doing all that stuff, and then come to a stop, okay? Get ready to put your feet down and all that, and you should be good. There you go. And if you want to wait until you get a green, I have no problem with that. But if you also want to just go when you want to go, make sure you give it some throttle. Because remember, we have a tough time taking off because you're not giving it enough throttle. So give it throttle, baby. Go, go, go. You, boy. There we go. Now this is the easiest freaking ride. There's only one more stoplight, and it's up here at the school, I think. And yeah, so I'm not gonna ride two abreast. That's pretty like the patrol method. That's pretty advanced. And so I'm gonna ride kind of like this, pretty close to you, but that's just I'm trying to get the shot, and I'm keeping an eye on you. Okay. So I can't believe I'm doing this right now. This is fun. This is what you need. You need time now. You got the minimum set of skills. You know how to brake, you know how to accelerate, you know how to shift, you know how to do all that stuff. It's just not refined. And now we just have to do it. We just have to get you some seat time so that you're nice and refined. And but we still have to do it safely. I'm not gonna say let's go down Speedway and Oracle and all that stuff, you know. We're gonna go down some still residential, easy. Now we got some stuff. See, now is a good time to practice your stops. There's no cars behind us, so you should be good. And right here, like just like what you're doing, I slow down, hoping it's gonna turn green. Yeah. But you still, if it feels like it's chugging, downshift. Feels like it's chugging, downshift. But if you're getting too close, there it's green. Go ahead and play with the clutch. Boom! Look at that. That is traffic riding, babe. Yay! Naked guy.
So that's our last light.
What?
That's our last light.
That's the last light. Now we can
riding.
Yes, it's easy riding. We can come back this way and it'll be easy, or we can come back off on the main road. It's up to you. However you feel. You just gotta let me know. I'll tell you when to let me know. Yeah, I was gonna say, tell me when I have to tell you and decide. All right. So you have all three lanes. You're pretty close to that center lane. Or I mean, lane position 1. So you got full access to everything. Especially on these turns, you kind of want to watch out for a car not paying attention and coming into our lane. So what I like to do is stay like exactly where you're at, on these
Coming
turns.
around the blind turns?
Yeah, and then when we're going straight, I'll go back into position 1. But remember, this whole road is your road. So if there's like something in your way on position 1 or 2 or 3, just go ahead and switch position.
Okay. And you'll be behind me, right? So if I switch, I won't be in your way.
You do not. It's my job as a group rider to not do that. To not be in your way. So I am in my own lane, my own position if I want to. So you can do whatever you want. Let's just do the speed limit, which I don't know what it's at.
I think it's 35 right here.
Okay, so then we're doing perfectly fine. If you want, you can hit 40. Try 40.
Roadrunner!
Roadrunner!
Beep, beep.
Look at you. You are doing it, babe.
I know.
So this is a blind.
Exciting.
So this is a blind turn. So just kind of keep your eye and look to the turn. Look to the turn. Oh, you almost you got close to that line there, baby.
I know.
Were you
Yeah,
turning?
I was, but I was trying to like slow down. Which I was letting off the throttle.
Don't worry about that. Just turn, baby. These are easy turns.
Okay.
So you can easily maintain 40 throughout this whole thing.
Too bad we don't have like cruise control.
Yeah. Well, the new FTR will.
Really?
Yep.
That's nice.
So look through the turns. If you
This
feel
is like
I
giving
said,
me butterflies.
yeah, if you feel like you're going too fast, that's perfectly fine to brake. Turn, counter steer. There you go. Jeez, you're scaring me.
What?
That was a little wide, baby.
Oh.
That was scaring me a little bit. So if you feel like you have to slow down, slow down. But remember, push on the handlebars to counter steer. Lean.
Okay.
Look where you want to go.
So I'm pushing.
Push with your left. There you go. There you go. Whew. I got butterflies there. That scared me. But we're in a good spot to practice, so let's just keep doing this. Keep pushing, keep pushing. There you go.
So I'm gonna push the opposite side now.
Yep, so now you're gonna push on the right handlebar. Push harder. Try to stay in the middle of the road. This is a pretty clean road. That's why I picked it. So this is the left turn, the arrow, so slow down a little bit. So try to stay in the middle. That way it gives you a bigger margin of error.
Okay.
There you go. All right, so give it some throttle. Now this is also another right-hand turn. Push hard, push hard. There you go. There you get the feel of how you should turn. All right, slow down, slow down. We're gonna turn left right here.
Right here?
We'll have to go to the next one, go to the next one.
Okay, I'm like, that's a little late.
Yeah, sorry about that. Turn left on this next one. There's no one behind us, so do not worry.
All right, I'm going. Woo.
There you go. Go ahead. Keep going. We're gonna go back up that way.
Okay, hold on. Woo.
All right. You want to take a break?
Yeah.
All right. All right. So let's go ahead and shut off real quick. So put the kickstand down too. We'll talk about it for a little bit and what scared me, just from my point of view. And
I'm sure like going downhill. Hold on, let me put it first.
No, once you have the kickstand down, you're good.
There, it was stopping.
All right. So what scared me was you were like right on the line on a turn that's not so hard or sharp, and it looked like you're just sitting upright looking and trying to do this. Okay. So just lean into it and push. If I want to go right, I'm going to push it like this. So I'm holding it and I'm pushing it like that, and I'm leaning. Okay? You don't have to lean too hard, but on this road it's easy. There's not a lot of debris. I always check it. I always ride it. There's not a lot of debris, and there's not a lot of oil in the center line on this one, and it hasn't rained in a while. It's clear skies. So try to stay your best in the middle unless there's something in the way. That way, if you take a turn too wide, you still have all that room. If you try to take the turn and you're already way over here and you're going to go wide, you only got like that much room to to maneuver. Loosen up, and just go nice and easy, okay?
Okay.
You never turned off your bike.
Oh, my key. Battery.
So, you ready?
Yes, I am. Coming into here, you'll probably see the video of it, but coming into here, I don't know if I wasn't slowed down enough or I caught gravel, but it got wobbly on me.
That's fine.
When I turned into here.
That's because there's gravel.
Mm-hmm.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right. I didn't charge this camera, so it might die on us.
Gosh dang.
Now I'm gonna tell you I don't want to lead just because I want you to have full view of the road.
Okay, then let me lead.
Okay.
If you don't think it's a good idea, then just let me do it.
Okay. The only reason why I would want to lead is because I'd want you to kind of just follow me, but you need to learn.
Okay, I'm going.
Do it. You have to accelerate. There you go. Give it some throttle. There you go. Look where you want to go and push on the handlebars to go that way. Like you literally got to push. These aren't 90-degree turns, these are turns with some speed. There you go. There you go. I see some lean on that one. Push a little harder now. Push a little harder. Give it a test. Like test it out. Like if I push this hard, will it do anything? Push. You have to give it throttle though. Go ahead and push on the right handlebar a little bit harder. Harder. There you go. Get a feel for it. Look where you want to go. You're looking straight. Oh, nice, babe. Doing good. Push harder. There you go. Sometimes the road changes a little bit more, so you have to adjust. So now it's the left side. Push, 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 push. There you go.
Push. Trying to stay in the middle.
Remember, if you feel like you have to slow down before the turn, go ahead. Okay? We're all practicing.
Okay.
So go ahead and take the turns a little bit slower if you want to.
Okay.
And then work your way up to the speed limit.
Here we go. Stay in the middle. Push with my left.
There you go.
Still give it some throttle. Look outside of the turn.
Perfect turn.
This is a good road to practice on. Okay, throttle. Look outside the turn. Pushing with my right hand. Stay in the middle, Nikki.
You're good. You're good.
Oh, don't go, car. Don't go.
Yeah. Okay, we're going 50 now, so you're going faster than the speed limit.
Going 42.
Okay. So we'll take these turns a little bit slower. We're almost done. We're almost done. So get a full grip on the handlebars though. There you go. Just don't squeeze so hard. Push.
Push, push, push. Look outside the turn. Look outside the turn. Stay in the middle. Woo! Nice, very nice. Pushing with my left, some throttle, stay in the middle. Be aware of the light that's coming up.
Yep. So just kind of coast towards it. At this point, just do it.
Gun it,
Just do it. At this point, it's safer to just go through it and then slam the brakes. There you go. One more light, it's gonna be a left turn, so we still got a little while.
So that left, coming to a stop in that left turn right there, that's gonna be like one of my things I have to practice.
And this is easy.
That already is one of the things I need to practice more.
Yeah.
Because taking off from a stop, I'm still like wobbly. give it more gas. Throttle. Car coming out. It's 35 here. So just slow down a little.
No, just want to make sure that car is looking at us. All right, so get ready. So start downshifting. You're in third. You're good. You're good in third.
You can see that all over there?
Yep, I can see it from here. I got eagle eyes, baby. So I wouldn't try to make this arrow, but just go ahead and keep going. It looks like it's still good for us. So go ahead, look through the turn. There you go.
Oh, it's close to the edge.
That's why we're practicing, baby. You got to do it.
All right. Do better than that.
All right, so you probably took the turn a little too fast.
Okay.
And then you started turning a little too soon.
Okay.
So go a little wider on the turn and then lean a little bit harder to make that turn.
Uh-huh.
And then you can accelerate through it.
Yeah, I didn't even press the clutch, pull in the clutch or the brake on that turn.
You don't have to pull the clutch in on that one if you're approaching this turn at the appropriate speed. But you should have slowed down beforehand. And that's where the rear brake comes in handy.
Oh, okay. Which I feel it right here.
You're fine. Go ahead. Do your thing, girl. There's batteries almost dead.
That was nice. I can't believe I actually went on the road with cars. And stoplights.
Yeah, that was fun.
Whew. Do that again. Hold on, I'm going to go around the pothole.
There you go. That's the whole point of you got the full lane, so go around potholes and stuff.
Okay, red light coming up. Okay, I'm slowing down. Oh, there we go. So I'm going to maintain this speed because I got to turn.
If you want.
So I go wider on the outside.
All right, we got to stop now. We got to stop. So get ready for a stop. There you go.
Hold on, I'm in third.
You're in third? So
Oh, there we go.
Okay, go ahead. Very good.
Hi.
Yeah, I'm in front. Just kidding. Alright, so this car, you're good, you're good. I just want to get a good, I'm practicing my editing skills with the camera.
Yeah.
Say, wave to the camera. There you go. Go get in front, do your thing. Well, that was a fun ride. A little interesting, a little technical. It got me a little scared for a couple seconds.
Yeah.
But we'll go ahead. We can talk about it later.
Those are like my first fast speed turns and curves on a road.
That is true, because we've only done 90-degree turns like into parking lots, into neighborhoods. So that was your
like
first.
At 25.
Yeah. So no, that was very good. That is about typical. That is kind of what I did. Now it's just more into trusting the turning, okay? After this, I'm gonna make a video on steering. Hopefully it can help out a little bit. But I can describe in some of the stuff when it comes
to that.
Going home? Yeah, we're gonna go home, all right?
Nice.
So, all right, well, I had a lot of fun.
Yay, me too, thank you.
That's all we needed to do to kind of just get it out of our system, get some miles under our seat, you know, under our butt. All right, you want to turn lane? There you go. I'll see you later, guys. Bye. So you're probably gonna have to. No, you're good. There you go. Whee!